Japanese green tea is not just a beverage, but a cultural legacy and a path to well-being. There are many benefits of Japanese green tea, and a wide variety of brands to choose from. Matcha is a powdered green tea used in traditional tea ceremonies, with an opulent, umami-rich flavor. Hojicha is a roasted green tea with a robust, earthy flavor and low caffeine content. Sencha is a versatile green tea with a rejuvenating, grassy flavor. Genmai cha is a blend of green tea and roasted brown rice, offering a soothing, low-caffeine option. Gyokuro is a shade-grown green tea known for its rich umami flavor. Shincha is the first harvest of the year, offering a vibrant flavor that reflects the changing seasons. Bancha is a mild green tea with low caffeine content, perfect for enjoying between meals. Kukicha is made from twigs and stems, offering a mild, subtly nutty flavor. Tamario Kuka is a unique green tea with spiral leaves and a mild, grassy undertone. Karagame combines Gyokuro and Sencha stems for a refined flavor profile. Mecca is a delicate green tea made from tender tea buds, perfect for year-round savoring. Genma matcha combines the essence of matcha with the comforting notes of roasted brown rice. Wakucha is a Japanese black tea with a bold and robust flavor. Aracha is an unrefined green tea that preserves the natural qualities of the tea leaves.